Hey you! You like watching animals do shit? Well then you've come to the right place. Welcome to the Nature Program, where we take a look into the lives of animals. What kinds of animals? Giant monsters are involved. Every animal gets a free pass. So, let's begin our little journey, shall we? Here I have with me two bad piggies. This one is Stormo, and this one with the pink earmuffs is Goliad. And those earmuffs are horribly misplaced. Look at him! He's a unicorn! He's a unicorn! Just look at him! Wish your luck with me. For your own good. Oh yeah, what's gonna happen? This is going to happen. Oink! Goliad? Oink! The best kinds of animals are cute ones that want to give you a hug. And boy golly, Scorpy's gonna do just that. Aw, you're so cute. Problem with him is... he's kind of a coward. Ah! Hang on a second. Get over here. No. Now I've got you. Somewhat. Alright, there. Now let's get a closer look at him. It spikes. Okay. I can see why he'd want a hug. He's so freaking adorable. But those spikes. You'd better watch out. Oh, would you look at that? Fighting for territory, I guess. Who knows who the Plesioff's true loyalties are to? They're useful as dogs, but they pretty much want to kill everyone. What are you pointing at? Oh, shit!
Then drop on the deck and flop like a fish! Flop like a magic crap!
Here we have a Boo, flying around looking for someone to scare. Ah! Seems it's found something. Let's watch. Congratulations! You scared the soul out of an angry bird. See how they can be really cool now? Peekaboo! Ah! You should have expected that, cameraman. So, I'm here with Anguirus, with him to talk about the controversy that's been going around, because people have been thinking he's a cousin of Sonic. What are your opinions on this, Anguirus? No, I just saw it in a newspaper clipping. Little one, you have requested I be on your nature program? Yes. Very well then. You may ask me one question, and one question only. I only have so much time. What's a good Rayquaza-related question to ask him? Oh! Why do Groudon and Kyogre hate each other so much? Very good question. Let me explain. Actually, Groudon and Kyogre are my two children. When I created their eggs, they basically competed for everything. To see who gets a pacifier first at an infant age, to see who gets the cookies first at younger ages, and to see who gets to play the new game first at even older ages. Now they're out for each other's throats now that they're adults. And I have to constantly intervene all the time. And that is the history of Groudon and Kyogre. So, Groudon and Kyogre are your kids. Yes, much like my friend Arceus's kids are Dialga, Palkia, and Giratina. And they're fighting all the time, and Arceus has to intervene. So naturally, with me, you can see where it goes. Interesting. Now then, if you'll excuse me, I've got to go deal with those two kids again. Goodbye. Well, that was an interesting session. The end.